Good morning, everyone. This is Soki speaking. This morning, I was going to show you what is my teacher, what is my my fan. Can I say like that? I follow the one as the top YouTubers. He create his channel create the raw travel vlog video, and he also have one book that I bought and I learned from it, and I think I bought for over a year already, but I'm not read carefully and I'm not follow his instruction. But today I just want to show you and learn together how we can improve, how we can uh, success on YouTube. I hope everyone, include me, will be successful in YouTube creation, especially about focus on raw video, just record, talk anything, talk something, everything that we are interesting, we can talk. So uh, I will be do research a little bit about for you. Not research. I just show you the book I buy. The first I want to show you about who is my guys. This guy here, I think you see now, you know now. This guy is named Belt and Bancroft. 4.5 million subscriber. He's very successful. And what his book? He wrote this book, the name, the YouTube Blueprint. The YouTube Blueprint. And I buy this book and I learn a lot from this book. And I also use the notebook. Then I think you can see notebook LM, and the one I learned from him, and I think it's a very important for who is around block is master local interaction. And the one key thing is he said that the people want to see everything that unplanned. It's like on the way we are, like the normal we are walking, seeing something like that, right? That it's unplanned, and then they mentioned that regarding to the reaction with the people should not film people secretly, and it will be dangerous, and we should let the people know clearly that right now we are do filming, and then we interact with them, and when we act with them we should have much like approach stronger mindset, should be genius and get most like a positive reaction, you know. uh, and then should be the one other thing that I learning from is passionate over public topic. It means that he explained that we should not follow the trend, but we should follow the passionate, what we are passionate about, because to build authentically, authentically, we need to deeply passionate something. So we do video around our passion because we want to build like truly viewer, truly audience. I think it's important for me that for everyone as well, we can learning from what we are skillful on, not waiting anything. Not with waiting. We have the good camera, we have a good something like that. So should not wait, just do it. So here is the summary from the book. The one thing, first one, uh, foundation and the raw mindset. We should thinking our channel like a business. So it means it cannot be get benefit or profit immediately. We need to reinvest, do research. And then raw is one authentic food tech to build the right connection. And then we should keep principle patient principle. Like we need to be focused on improving every single video we upload, even 1%. Fight to when we travel, we need to pack light to move fast. Only carry what fit to our single pack to be incorporated in busy areas. And also we use like A to B journey. We can structure or we can unstructured content. It means like a raw video without plan. And then in the video, we need to be check the human interaction. Other people in life are the most interesting thing. For at least one or two spontaneous conversation, So we need to interact with the people. And then the rule 8, the 3-8 rule for luck. Walks through an area, one of 20% chance of the story, 3 times signification increase. Also, we can do like the structure raw video formulas. Well, the one is 30 to 40 seconds. You can do like a hook and contextual voiceover from that. I think it's the best for me because my English not very well, so sometimes I speak not good. I should be like a voiceovers and direction, journey and direction, film made of the video, and then also outro, so something a final. Okay, I think it's good. It's good roadmap. Okay, but the one thing that I learning from this guy book is at the first time, I don't know where is it, but at the first time, we do not focus much on quality. We should focus on quantity, volume, amount of the video, how much video, how many video we will upload. So we can learning on the process while we are create the video. So This guy is very good. This guy, it's very good for me because I learned a lot from him about how to create travel vlog, raw content, and just walking. I think you can go and to check his channel and just learning from his channel. It easy, especially for, I mean, also for Cambodian people, we can say in Khmer language. But for me, I just want to improve English language, so I want to do it in English because I have not just for create the video for the YouTube, but also my expectation will be improve my English language speaking as well. So I think it's good opportunity for me to create a video, learning on YouTube, and improve my English language as well. So for everyone want to do a raw travel vlog, you can watch that guy, Bad Bankrupt, right? Bell Bankrupt, right? Yeah, channel, and or you can see I will be at the on the at this link on this video description. You can check, and thank you so much for your watching my video. If you like, if you have any question, if you have anything, just comment and I will be try to respond you. And hope successful together. Thank you.